Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin what's coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Sa anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 25% discount ngayong November, no? So kapag nag-book kayo for a private reading ngayong November, you will get 25% discount. Ayan, so yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Let's see, Capricorn, what is coming to you in the next 7 days for Capricorn in the next 7 days. Okay. Whoa. Okay, Capricorn. Pay attention sa mga taong nakakausap ninyo or makakausap ninyo in the next 7 days. Meron kasi ditong may itinatago sa inyo. Or parang meron siyang sinisikreto or may mga ginagawa siya na hindi mo alam na dapat alam mo. If you get what I mean. Okay? So, maari kasing meron dito will try na magsinungaling sa harapan mo mismo, pero you can see through them no? Alam mo rin naman mararamdaman mo naman kung nagsasabi ng totoo to o hindi. Oo. So, i-clarify natin yan. You have the King of Swords. So, I think yung iba sa inyo medyo umiiwas kayo sa tao. may iniiwasan kayo na makausap or makasalamuha, or yung iba sa inyo mas pinipili nyo na mapag-isa, or mas na-enjoy nyo ngayon yung moment ninyo with yourself. What is the King of Swords? Parang may pinag-iisipan kayo I feel like you are thinking about how to be more successful. Gusto mong malaman kung paano ka pa mas magiging successful sa buhay mo. Ano yung mga steps na dapat mong gawin to achieve your goals and your dreams. Kumbaga nandyan na yan Kumbaga it's already existing in the future. Kailangan mo na lang i-figure out kung paano ka makakarating doon. Okay? So that's what I'm sensing for you. And yung iba, you will be recognized. Mare-recognize ka sa gawa mo, sa galing mo, sa talino mo. If you are a student, maaring merong award or reward sa'yo. Pagdating naman sa trabaho, meron dito na mapopromote dahil sa napakagandang performance niya sa trabaho. This can be a surprise, no, para sa iba, na yung trinabaho mo ng buong taon, worth it siya kasi nakita yan ng nakatataas, nakita ng boss mo, and they see you na meron kang leadership role and that you will be promoted. You have the Empress, so this is abundance in your life. I also see na may mga tao rin na nagiging interesado sa'yo, lalo na at may nagbabago sa'yo physically. Mas inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo ngayon. Like, for example, nag-gym ka, you're becoming healthier, fit, you are, kumbaga parang mas nagpa-practice ka ng self-care, self-love, you are putting effort in having a beautiful skin or mas magandang style, ganyan. So, kumbaga pinapairal mo ang energy ng Venus for you. Kaya napapansin ka or mapapansin ka ngayon. And some of you, it's about time na you will reap the rewards. So, in the next 7 days, yung mga in-effortan mo ng mga nakaraan, ayan, pwede mo na siyang hanguin, i-harvest. You have the Four of Pentacles, so stability in your finances in the next 7 days. I think you have learned a lot from your past mistakes pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances mo. And ngayon parang mas kuripot ka. Mas nag-hold on ka sa iyong coin, sa iyong pera. So ngayon, medyo maingat ka talaga kung saan mo gagastusin yan. Hindi na yung basta-basta na lang. You have the High Priestess. So this is knowledge, no? Learnings. I feel like you are going to be more connected to your instinct, to your intuition. Mas malakas yung pakiramdam mo ngayon. And maganda siya kasi you can use it as your guide in making decisions. And yung discernment mo rin or yung judgment mo rin sa situation, makikita mo agad kung sino yung taong totoo sa'yo, sino yung nagsisinungaling sa harapan mo, or merong mga hindi magandang intention towards you. Kasi I feel like in the next 7 days, it will be revealed to you kung sino to eh. Oo, yung iba pwedeng sa trabaho, meron ditong sinisiraan ka kasi nakikita nila na mas nagpe-perform ka sa trabaho at parang ikaw ay threat sa kanila, parang competition kanila. So, yun yung pwedeng kailangan mong i-look out, no? Na parang kaibigan pagkaharap mo, pero pag nakatalikod ka na, sinisiraan ka sa boss mo. O, yung iba naman, pwedeng will try to parang convince you to start a business. Pero yun pala, is-scam ka lang, no? So, be very careful. 7 of Swords. Yeah, the Hanged Man. This is about reassessing the situation. Pag-isipan mo munang maigi. I-pause mo muna. Huwag ka muna agad-agad magtitiwala. You have the 8 of Cups. Oh, some of you, maaring meron kayong iiwanang situation. Can be a relationship with someone dahil you feel like parang na-realize mo na niloloko ka lang, pero hindi mo na yun i-deal, parang hindi ka na makikipag-argue. I feel like you will just walk away. Oo, lalo na kung merong nag-cheat. Halimbawa na discover mo nag-cheat yung person mo sa'yo, hindi mo na i-confront. Parang i-ghost mo na lang. Ganon. Oo, for some of you, no, pwedeng ganon. Kasi parang sa'yo, it's like a waste of time and energy na makipag-usap pa sa taong to na nanloko sa'yo. You have fork in the road, so major decision na kailangan yung gawin. Some of you are confused. Confused kayo sa sitwasyon nyo. If you are in a relationship with someone, medyo confused ka sa nararamdaman mo sa person na to. Pagdating naman sa trabaho, pwedeng may hinahanap ka pa na magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment sa work. Na tipong masasabi mong hindi lang trabaho to, hindi lang dahil kumikita ka ng pera. It's about fulfillment. It's about your passion. It's about your purpose. And I think it will be shown to you. Unti-unti, marirealize mo yung purpose na yan. You have the Saturn in Scorpio in the 8th house, inheritance. So, possible na kung meron kang, you are dealing with yung mga mana or mga ari-arian within the family. Ang Saturn kasi is delay, no? So, pwedeng may challenge dyan, pwedeng medyo matatagalan yung proseso ng paglipat ng pangalan sa'yo or yung proseso ng pag-claim mo ng mana mo. 8th house is also about investments. So, that's why you really have to be careful in getting into investments. You have Mars in Scorpio in the 8th house. 8th house ulit. Oh my God. I feel like you are going to cut off someone in your life dahil hindi siya naging faithful sa'yo, hindi siya naging totoo sa'yo, niloko, no? Pwedeng niloko sa relationship, pwedeng niloko sa pera. Oo. Iba't iba kasi yan na panloloko. But some of you are going to cut off connections. Marketing. So, yung iba sa inyo, pagdating sa pagpapromote, kung meron kayong business, maganda na i-promote nyo lang ng i-promote kasi meron tong magiging magandang resulta for your business, for your income. Sa relationship, energy ng ex, pwedeng may babalik or pwedeng maaapektuhan ka ng isang ex, pwedeng ex ng person mo or ex mo. Oo, may babalik. Pwedeng yan yung pag-aawayan or issue within the relationship. Grounding. Ground your energies and emotions deep into the earth. Okay, so maaring meron ka mga activities na gagawin that will help you ground your energies. At alam mo yun, parang babalik ka dito sa ground na mas magiging practical ka, logical ka sa mga decisions mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.